Coloring Book TV, yeah man, you know I go. You know say a long time when you see me. You understand about day back on track right and now you understand, you know, so we did miss out on I Friday them. You understand, and I'm really sorry about that. You understand, it does a misunderstanding. You see me? You know say the Christmas with the family I do some look run up and down. You understand, and when the movie never did finish, so my name did get for post the movie. You understand? So at that meant gonna never get the movie. So I roommate for Christmas the movie did name, you know. You understand? So I have to delete every footage and start shoot over it. You understand? I name it roommate for New Year. You understand? So you know, Coloring Book TV I always put the best foot forward. So yes, if a movie I miss out, me I go now a movie for that. You understand? So the movie they are fall soon too as well. So no worry yourself. You understand? This a movie, and we name roommate for New Year, so stay tuned for it more. I know we not miss out again, we're going to do it best. You understand? And people, do remember, you know, so we short for actress, you understand? So we are look actress. So anybody out there would like for the movie. And that's why I say actress are females. Because enough people just say actress. Sometimes people will see me in night out and I say, yo, but actress big up, but actress a female, actor a male. For all who don't know. So we need actress. You understand? So if you're interested, you just link up your number 7992758. You understand? And we would like to get the age from 18 go up. You understand? Yeah man, if you're a big woman too, we don't have no problem. You understand? I really need actress, you understand? So if you're not interested in just contact your number. And big up on yourself, and I hope you have a happy new year. I hope you enjoy Christmas with your family. And I hope you enjoy New Year too as well. You understand? So you know, I just stay focused and do it right. Because New Year, and some want to just do it right and not focus on the negativity them. You understand? And focus on the positive vibes to the New Year. So no allow a negative thing for all year gone. Allow it for that. Left it down there. So New Year now, so pretty positive things. You understand? Positive things will make money. You understand? So that we over here so pray to. You understand? So just go and big up on yourself, man. You see me? And hope I live for see many more New Year for fall, you understand? Yeah man, so big up on yourself. Coloring Book TV to a world live for you and we're here for you. Big up on yourself.
Not a because like how you have your own place, but some of the time I don't really like it. Because when you have an argument, you're gonna feel place gonna lock off and me alone there, person. And it take longer for we talk back. If you have one place now, if you have no place for yourself, you could have there so we have to talk back same day. But when you go in the yard now, you'll block me out all 2 weeks, 3 weeks, you know, you find. You know, like this, but the good for you have your one place still, but you don't like the part when you have an argument. You go in the yard.
No like it either,
But you good at 19, you have your own place. I like that. You are 19, you have your own place. Even though your mother left you gear still, but a fair place. Same way. You just have to take care right. Make you come back. See a place good, just take care right. You understand? When you say she give something and you take it.
I want to talk to you about something. That bother me. That really bother me.
What else?
You take care of me. I'm not going to be ungrateful, but money where you give me enough.
What do you mean by enough? Explain. I don't understand what you say.
As me buy 2 little something so in money done. And I like say I give me 100,000. So me I tell her say you have to go step up on the money.
No, you don't understand right now what me I go through really.
So explain now.
Yeah. You saw me there? The bills high. Every month me have to pay 100,000. Every month me have to pay 100,000. For the rent plus the bills. Plus me have to buy food. The food not come 900,000. And that are just rent and bills alone. AC, me not use the AC, but me don't know why the current bill a come high. The current bill at 28,000. The man I used to there, he may they pay that. And that's why they kick him out. So you realize it's hard for me. And plus, me have one bag of move around. Me have to pay me fare. Me have to buy lunch. You have to look on this there. Plus, me go want a little roll and me go want a little perfume to smell good to me. So when me spend so the money I go down. So me check and give one a little 25,000. Me not really have nothing left for myself. Me sacrifice and give that 25,000. I'm a whole lot. So my time me not make like me have to borrow money. I'm a work the money. But by the time when me get paid now, when me get paid, the money big but it's when me start paying who me owe and the money gone. The money might look big, but when me start pay up my bills and make money gone down.
Understand.
You forgot to email on my mother, and me and Fiala take care of my mother. And my little sister go to school. And me I do them say hard for me one look there. A new sheet me have to buy yesterday and new something. 40,000 me spend yesterday and listen me I say no. When me talk no cause you want me explain me explain.
Alright.
Christmas gone the amount of shopping me do for my mother them. 30,000 alone for supermarket. And I mention seasoning and market yet. Me not go marketplace yet. And I spend 30,000. So imagine when me go market. Just imagine how much money I spend. And the things them expensive. I don't know why they raise up the thing them for market, but they raise up. You understand?
Understand what you're trying to say.
I remember so me have to get I can't explain everything right now, but enough things me have to spend every month.
Listen.
Every month me have to spend. And you know if you just understand and be with me, can be sacrifice and get 25,000. Me have to give 25,000. Because I just say, alright, me give you 5 grand and you must good. Because the day you want a place, me not supposed to have mine every day. Right? Yeah, I'm a woman, but me supposed to give money, but me can give 5,000. Me have to give 25,000 if you look and then something there. And I can't tell me about if you step up on money and if you do this and one bag of foolishness.
And
you know me feel when you say boom, if you step up on money and then really I'm out every day in a sun hat, I work and just you not even understand. Look on all your phone, your Christmas suit, your New Year suit, and me buy them. Your ear, you look on this, and me still get 25,000. Me now look on them ear and sit them and buy a gear every month, every week. You know I look on them sitting there. But you can't tell me if you step up on money. You have to do better, man.
Me understand no babe, but a new year now.
Remember, something
And
else a new year.
for more money.
Me I look for more money too. Me out there search. And me can't find more money. More money out there, but it's hard to find. Which me there foreign I do 2-3 work. The other good. Send me a foreign then. Send me a foreign. Like what your mother. Tell your mother
See,
to take me up.
think about this, because we need more.
Listen to me, I say no. Tell your mother to take me up a foreign. If you want me to 3-4 work, I can mind you. Tell her to take me up then. Because she go upon program, she must have told him.
Come to Pinay and using meds.
Me and meds, because from one day, me and meds said me want to get somebody else to come in here. And you can sleep over here, so I'm sleep over here, so we share room here. So I would have 100,000 would have pay. Would have pay like half. And the next person pay half. And so come I can give one look of balance pan for your thing.
That sound good.
But you know, if you come to me and wait there, tell me to step up because I work hard. You know how hard I work? Every day me in a sun hot, sun a burn out my skin. Every single day. I'm out there work for you.
Once I get my money, alright with you.
That's the one thing I care about me, what me I feel. Eh? What me I feel. Eh? What me I feel.
Me not give love.
The love,
And attention.
And you there every day? Most of the time,
So
I'm
what
here
do
to
you
call
say?
you over here. I'm here to call you over here most of the time. Every single day, I call you every single day, I call over here. Every day. No, sir? Oh, you sit down and
Something like that.
But me I do you, me I do what I say. Do. Me I post a thing on my TikTok. And see if nobody will contact me.
You can try Instagram too.
Alright. Where you go now?
No, go down and go wash.
Me I go up on the work. See. So just lock up my window. Later, you see now? We tell you so don't make me call you later.
Yeah, later.
You
Love
just
you.
come. Alright. Don't ball love. I tell you about love. I rate you. All love. You don't go love. You love too much.
Yo, babes. What? You bombard, babes.
What?
Hey, the frig. See, you know, say, how far away me does I come from?
How happened?
Eight things.
Eight things like what?
Eight chatting, babes. You see, me robbery. Where do you make me go on? Oh, we think, say, alright, and everything good. You know, so we name stinking on the street.
So people know say how we do it?
Hey, man, the people see me on the road and tell me, say, they love off my shirt and something like pretty and nice, but they have something to tell me serious. When me hear me have to my foot, me don't even make me know.
So what we have to do?
We have to go move, babes. I serious sitting and go on.
We have to go move, but we don't have nowhere to move, go.
What? If we talk about, we must have much money and say, oh, get off idea and some babes. We have to find someone to go pay. No. So me not take that from police, no. So you know, say when the police boy they see me going on chatting with me. Hey, you know what thing go. You know what badness, no babes.
We have to go try again.
What you know? Get the same name pack up. We have to go try and move or something. We can't tell us because
But we have to get somewhere first before we can get the things so we have to move.
we have to move before we even know so we have something.
Move up on the roof on the street,
Yes.
true.
Remember, so we have the street code. We have to go up on the street. We have to get some of the stable. You don't know that. You can call up one and two big links and we can send a go look two big links. Same way, babes. You don't know that, man. We have to move because this I get serious. You see me? I don't want nobody feel like me on TV.
Alright, look here.
What?
And then after that, you have to, so I can't say you don't feel like say you have to. Look here. The best thing we do, we hide out in the place until we get somewhere. We move. We are trying to get somewhere, man. You know, so then the place will be easy to find.
You know, so that sound good.
If nobody come in a car, we don't answer because we don't have food in that place and so we have to go up on the road.
It should be well, man. You know, man, think that nobody knows I move more and move, you know.
We so move, man, if you just want to look for somewhere.
Look, man, we can't be a jail. You look for me. We can't be a jail, babes.
No, look for me, me get in jail.
Exactly, babes. Look how we look together.
Exactly.
Jail can't manage we.
When time we get, let's try to get somewhere.
I have to try to clear up this. You see how you there? The boy, they call up my name, you know.
Okay,
You see the boy, they call up my name, you know, babes.
No bother with it.
No bother with what?
Calm down.
Babes, they call up my name too much and now, babes, man. It a get man top of my nerves. You really make me name in the street. Oh, thief. Bossy boy like me. You mad? When I run them, I joke the babes. Eh? What that? You look a cheap idiot car. Eh? What that if you give you much money? Eh? It's a good thing so we have some different money on the side where we are dealing with for a long time, babes. So I'm here. It's a boy I can call up with him. Like in car and on BMW and no Benz.
No worry yourself. No worry.
You know what I'm myself in my position right now. Me have to worry and move in a hurry.
Alright, then I'm going to do some research on the media and see if we can get one. Is that it?
Hurry up now. Talk to Siri or talk to somebody. Siri, Kiri or Piri. Talk to somebody
Just
right
calm down,
now.
no man.
Yes, I don't know if you
Me
can.
always scroll on TikTok and see some place. Or I go on Google or some.
Me try to calm up. Me can't feel calm. God, come here, sweat.
Lucky door.
Mighty God.
Lucky door, no man.
Listen,
Say
nobody
hi,
now.
with the pan, you know.
But now come on and say, man, say that in my back of your ass. Yes. You can't come on and say, I know that man when I come in dog, I'm going to make it nice so I go here. I know from here, and no boy can't put no foot in my yard. You know?
Just calm down and sit down, no man.
Babes, you know, see no boy can't put no foot in my yard. You know? Hurry up, look for it. Because right now, you can't take this up.
Marcus. Where are you doing? Can't forward it.
You want to away?
You know remember my youth?
No, sir.
I mean, they play Corner League time, man. Yeah, man, you remember?
Puppy Chow?
No, my youth, Puppy down and a Puppy Chow.
Oh,
They play Corner League up
card,
a yeah, man.
yeah.
Yeah, man, I gave me come here link in a car. This morning, then, I did on the road and I scroll through TikTok and I see I said something about you want a roommate. So, for me, woman kick me out. You see me, so from other day, I not sleep, you know, I bleach. You see me, every night, up on the road, me there. I not sleep on my bed. You see me? I only go out with my friend in the other morning time and hold a fresh and then give me a little breakfast and then out on the road again. You see me?
So,
Yeah, man, so more forward, you see me?
Yeah. You want a roommate, right?
Yeah.
You look like a fish.
I never say a fish, not two bed in a room. How much bed in there?
One bed in a room.
Oh, one bed.
So how much you see a one bed in the one bed, one bathroom, one kitchen, one veranda. And you are going to tell me you want to be my roommate?
So I can't carry my bed in there, man. I can't get on bed and carry come in.
How much bed?
I pay.
This is what I say.
Me rent in the kitchen. Me rent in the kitchen. And at night time, I blow up my bed and put it
No.
and sleep.
It good. Kitchen good. You know, see dining table, fridge, sink, stove. You know,
On the road, I can't sorry for me.
me check you. Power next thing. Me make you know it's going
We must all play football together.
Yeah, man, you know, man. But me not depend on lack of business with man in the room. Not depend it. Me check some place and me make you know if no way.
If I have a veranda, you hear me,
Listen. Me check nowhere else if me here nowhere ready. I'm sure. Give me a number.
I don't watch it.
You want me
I
to
don't
say
think like you could have like come here and pay the money. Like you sleep on the bed tonight, I'm sleep on the floor, and then the other night you sleep on the floor, I'm sleep on the bed.
Give me a number.
799 2758. Yeah man, so my time you could have hold the floor and hold the bed and hold the floor.
Me check it.
Alright.
Yeah, me check it.
Alright. Remember to check me in come.
Yeah man, I check you man.
Come on, get back on check you.
No worries.
New year in the morning, they back on check you know.
That is it.
Yeah,
check
man.
you man.
Alright.
Yeah,
Yo, you bad ball still there?
Yeah man.
Alright. Yeah man, big up.
Smiling face of home.
Hello.
This is a person we want a roommate.
Yeah, I mean man.
Alright, but basically we need to like get the place where you're located.
A pum lane man right there, pum lane. One big concrete house right there in front of the lane. You can't miss it.
Alright.
Well, means a person like this, but that's why if you get this right. Means a person willing to pay my rent and no, me not mean like everything. Means a person willing to pay my rent and if me have extra, me will drop extra same way.
Okay. Alright, tell me about yourself then, let me familiarize with you a little bit more.
Me's a girl like this. Me like bad man. Man me wall gun and them stuff there. Look a soft man them, me not like them the man there. Bad man to me thing.
Not soft man to me thing.
Listen, me call her here.
Wait, what?
Me call her, man.
Are we get somebody here?
You look like me get somebody here.
What do you mean by
Alright, look a bit.
This a man here.
Somebody, you know, on a banana, but you know, banana.
What you mean by having a banana? Your banana tree up in your yard? Who that?
Our girl, man, she want to come up there. But she said she like bad man and gun. None of them something there.
You're the teacher free.
With gun, eh?
Coward.
Me not coward, but me I say, if I need gun, me not like. If I something else like bad, me I say come. But me not good part. Yes, she like bad man and man, but I say, oh, how about there? You good?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of stress.
Because when I get the roommate.
I know you put that on my floor.
That's what you're talking about.
Me tell her wash your foot before a Christmas.
Listen.
Gone another day and me clean up my place. I know here when I come over here wash your foot.
We can't bother with you sometime, you know?
Come go in the bathroom and wash your foot. Look on your foot.
So no more step me come make.
Your foot back tough for me to...
No step.
Yeah.
How long me there so wait for you?
And I'm my fault.
Why you always a hold up time so babes? What go on? Where you say go on?
Me just called somebody just a while ago, right? And them a say, they have a place, but it located a Pum Pum Lane. You know Pum Pum Lane, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. The apartment up on the front, the peach place. Look. Peach. Yeah. Basically, them a say they want a roommate, yes, but the person tell him more about myself. I tell the person more about myself, and then the person say.
I said what? Talk to me first, man. I say
Something
I
like
can't
you
do the on the road long, you know.
The person said something like you get somebody else already.
You get something same
Because-
place where they see you check.
The place there.
And there's some more you check back with one different image.
And then me a talk.
More you go back there with one different image when you go back. Tell them this time say you're a Christian. You see me?
Yeah.
So you think you can highlight one different way.
I must call home me there talk to him and I think say a bad man me like and one
Babes,
bad
that man I like with the babes. Why
because
you
the man
always talk
say
that?
the man say tell me more about yourself. So me I tell him more about myself.
You know if you tell people what you like, then we jealous against you. So what you pray? More you go back there so change your image and make sure so you get the thing locked so we can go in there and book in. Because I can't depend on the road too long, you don't know that.
Alright then come on now, come off the road and I'm going to you.
How long if you say that, babes, man?
Come on.
Want it? How can I carry that?
Let's calm down man.
Oh, and then.
You can't move so forward to look
Coward?
Just
Babes,
come on.
come here, see my background, man. What you talk about coward?
And me go
Come
wrong.
on. You know what? Come in here, man.
You don't get nobody friend in the room.
You know, look like nobody want to live in or do a roommate. At 2024 now, so I don't think nobody may have get nobody for that.
So you put it up on Instagram and so?
Yeah, Although
And
I
still
no
nobody?
create an Instagram account, because I don't really know about them.
So you say yeah.
I put it on TikTok.
I'm just asking if you put it on Instagram and you say
Everybody
yes.
on TikTok. I put it on TikTok and status. Although I alone see it. So I should
What?
put it on it. I never did think.
For true. So.
See how create the account?
Yeah.
Because remember say month I come down, you know. But you know come, you know, I get no money month end. I see him 25,000.
Hello. Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Even.
You know the person who are renting the apartment up there?
I mean, man.
Oh, you're the person?
Yeah.
Is still available?
Yeah, man, you can sit down and we talk about it.
Alright then, thanks.
So where you come from?
For me?
Yeah.
Green Hills.
Where?
Green Hills.
So you know Pum Pum Lane. I put you come on.
I don't really like to call that name because I'm a Christian. Understand? Somebody tell me say somewhere around here rent and me just come at the lane and me see a shop out at the front and I ask
Yeah,
the
we
person.
know a lady, Barbara.
Yeah, and she say, over here, so.
But you have to tell me about yourself when you can't just rent a place. So.
Okay, my name is Brittany. I'm a Christian. I go to church.
Which church you go? Seventh Day?
No. Church of God Holiness.
Church of God Holiness, okay.
Yes. So I go to church every Sunday.
Yeah.
And
You grew up in Greenfield?
yes, Green Hill. Exactly.
Green Hill, you say?
No, they call it Greenfield also. Oh, yes.
Okay. Do you go to church when you look at come up?
From small, I baptized from around 7 years old.
So you're old.
For me, I'm 21.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, about the place, I put up so I need a roommate.
Okay.
Picture, you see that, right?
Yeah, I see that.
Or right here from the lady.
No, I see that. Me see that.
Oh. So, the place, the bills them, I'll cut 50-50.
Okay, so that include
Which
water.
I did 60-40 there, but I said that too high. When we put here 50.
You put pay 60, the other person pay 40?
No, the person would pay 60 and me would pay 40, but I said that
So,
now work out. So,
so
I
wait
just put here 50-50.
Okay, sorry to cut you. So that include water and light?
Yeah man, everything light.
Okay.
I mean,
So
I have street
basically-
light and I'm used to thief like, but when I night I can put up the street light if you can see meter out.
Alright. Yeah, that's nice. That's
Me
nice.
have to tell her.
So basically now, how the rent part go now? Like how much money would I have to pay? I say 50-50. So how much would I not much like out let me say now.
So the rent alone 50,000.
For me alone.
No, the whole rent.
Oh, the whole rent.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm pay 25, I pay 25.
Yeah.
Alright then, so they say available, right?
Yeah man, you available, you can carry things and go up there.
She sound like a nice lady.
Yeah man, is like a nice girl man. What's your name though? I may never get a name.
I did say it before, Brittany.
Oh, Brittany.
Yeah.
Like a girl on TikTok.
No, I don't really
On
the TikTok thing because I'm a Christian and you
Sorry
make a
about
bad
that.
word them. One time they
I can
download
pray
it.
for you sometime because with a couple we are happy argument. No one there.
That's the least, man. I can do that for you.
So you can pray for you, man.
But you know, you can come to church one of them days still. You can come to church one of
Oh
them
yeah man,
days.
it's been a busy. You can come down and praise the Lord.
Alright, so so the place, how much would that be?
One bed.
So how much are you sleep on one bed? 3?
No, that's me and you.
Oh, she not stay? No.
She's not there.
Alright.
That's me and you.
I don't take business.
Right, so this is the kitchen now you go. Wipe away food cover and socks. You're welcome. Yeah.
This is the
This is the kitchen and I go. Plate them and so then we deal again. Come out and then we go. A store, a back store, bro.
Yeah.
You can have the store.
And this
So
is
you
the
have a
room.
closet, yeah, so And see if
So
bed
this
there.
I like.
Yeah, man, I like this, man. See, like that. When I bought them, I work, I have to buy one. Cause everything are half, you understand?
Yeah.
So when I bought them, you buy one.
They
bulb.
$100 for you, but for 50, for 50.
No, I buy a bulb already, so you can buy one because on the blow.
Okay.
Yeah,
This is
so
the bathroom.
This is a bathroom. Them look thing there. Everything
Nice.
in a new still.
That dancing.
Everything in a new. You can look and see.
Yeah, it smells nice though.
Yeah, everything the place clean.
Put on the bug and get comfortable.
You see it?
Oh.
Yeah, so this a part there bed I see it.
Alright, the bathroom.
Oh, that's all mine, yeah? Yeah, my little thing there. Yeah, bro, that's it.
Some monthly the rent here.
Yeah, monthly. Yeah?
Yeah,
So
monthly.
later we talk about that stuff.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you though.
Nice meeting you too.
Alright, now back downstairs. Alright. Nice meeting you. No, the high five.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, may I forget to ask you, I'm not really like man, you know. You have a boyfriend?
No, man, I don't have
Make sure you know, I'm not really like
I don't
man,
really keep boyfriend unless when the person married. I understand. But what's something at the church, you have to marry.
Alright.
I don't really right.
Yeah, man, what down so we talk to me.
I've got to say, come here, you know. Okay.
Yeah, what man come and what down so now, what the reason with that?
Alright.
Yeah. You look nice doing things, a nice girl. Thank God you come here. We can stay here and stuff like that and
Come now.
we have a long conversation.
Yeah.
But we'll talk about things, how things set up and everything.
Alright.
Charlie AC there. if you get hot.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah, but remember bill though. Remember say bill.
That's the closet over
50.
there.
Yeah, man, but say bill of 50-50, so if you turn on the AC, you can turn off the back so your bill not really run up. And some use it had no one then. That's all the window, so you can put the window.
Yeah, alright.
But that one there, that one them use now. Can we put the bed? You change up in and still. And do some.
Alright then, yeah, alright.
You, me have my $100 on left board. But don't worry about that. They're not here.
What kind
No,
of
it's-
question that be?
I just ask somebody have me left money on the table.
You not gonna tell you?
But hope you feel at home and you're comfortable and everything good.
Yeah,
Yeah,
what,
yeah?
if you
Yeah, alright. Oh, you like the place so far?
Yeah, let us sit down with you.
Yeah, man, you can sit down.
No,
Can you see them two bottom try there too? No clothes in them so you can pack your
Alright,
clothes. And then closet, you can pack half of your clothes.
alright then.
Yeah, man. So,
Yeah, alright then.
me sir.
Alright. Babe,
Murder.
you know, so me get the place though.
What you say?
Me get the place.
What?
Like you know about. You see, me gonna want you come over here, but
Right now.
calm down no man. You have got post like say you're my brother because they ask me if I have a boyfriend and I tell them say no.
Brother.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, remember somebody use Christian influence. And you use that?
Then I hit me use and get the place.
Right. So me a Christian brother.
Christian brother.
Right.
Alright then. So you know so no pants about can go on, you know. And no smoking or nothing.
What?
Just forward.
If you don't say I'm comfort that smoking and sitting there.
Alright.
Alright.
So you like the place so far? It's nice.
God, I like the place, man. Make one of them.
No, it's only one leave. Oh God, don't leave. What is this?
Me just ask him.
Little lady
Give me
there.
peace.
Your lady there right here, so you don't. Oh,
For a long time, you know. Good.
here's my brother.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My sister? Come
It's my
visit her,
brother.
you know? Yeah. Good afternoon.
Oh, nobody watch a tattoo or anything. He put them on before and start go at church.
This is just back in the past.
No, stay down, Billy. Go down, Billy. Go down. I told you to don't come up here, Billy. I'm sorry about that, okay? That's my dog. He loved me because I'm a blessed guy. I'm a man of God, so I love my animals and all of that, you know? My sister here, mommy told her to don't leave me, so anywhere she go, she has to take me. That is how we live, okay? Right, so is everything all right?
Everything is fine.
That's your sister too?
No, it's girthy.
This is my wife. My wife.
Oh! My mistake. Is it true?
You're my wife.
What kind of look alike, you know? Because I see when them somebody been together for too
a long time, yes,
they
that's
start to
true.
look like each other.
Okay,
So
okay. So where you from?
Me?
Green Hills, so?
Green Hills?
Yeah.
Yes.
My sister live in Green Hills. I'm from there, but I live in Czechoslovakia right now, okay?
Oh, okay.
That's where I'm coming from. It take me so long to get here.
You two go to the same church.
Yeah! What are you talking about? This is my sister. Even though I got another church that I go sometimes, where she
Okay.
can't make it.
So you're baptized when you're young before?
No,
Not really, not
Leave
really.
me alone.
I was living in the street, like, been following some groups and they've been getting me in troubles and all of that. And the Creator keeps saving my life, the Lord.
Yeah.
So I changed my life. I give my life to the Lord. Yeah.
Good.
I give my life to
No
the Lord.
people out there like you. You need to change their life.
That's right.
That's what I'm talking about. And that is what I try to teach these ghetto youths. And they don't want to listen to me. They're telling
Change
me
them life.
I look like this, Christine J-Pop.
Sure, man.
My pants in my belly button. That is what
Yeah,
they keep telling me.
laugh about
No,
that.
some of them laugh at me also. They keep laughing at me like it's a joke. I don't know.
Sorry, I didn't really think that.
But I thank the Lord the day He chose me and changed me. That's the
Yeah,
greatest
man.
thing
That's
He
right.
ever
Every
do.
day we live, you have to give thanks.
Right. I like to feel like them, but I don't really like to look like them sometimes, you know?
New Year.
Yes, so, sis,
I
please,
left now
please,
alone on a catch up.
If you're okay, that's it. Alright.
please, nice though, you know?
Yeah, man, big up yourself too. Don't remember I rolled with here.
What rules, sis?
I don't know what he's talking about.
Too bad, ba?
Alright.
Okay. Rules, sis?
You can't stop calling me sis now.
Yeah. If you look like Christian, you don't need Christian because I know someone like Christian. If you look like Christian, I like feel like Christian, but I like look like
But
Christian, babes.
you know it's not my fault.
Yeah, I like some Google that style, you know, man. Babes are 10 ball can smoke, babes. I'm mad.
I think that what we have to do to get the place, you have to understand that.
True, babes. What? You even know, so right now, I don't even feel too comfortable. You come here for the farm and going out the same, babes. I mean, I like this style, you know, so if you have a fire, take palm, you
I
know.
know that, I know that.
Babes, I want to, yo, you know what, though? Come here and go back to one piece, car. Can't take a long talking, you know.
Well, I go to shop tomorrow, so you know, so then I come back to
That's
you.
okay, I'm here, this one, one else, man.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Stop me, I'll come back with the same thing.
I want to hear babes, man.
Alright then, Lee.
Yeah, so long a day, man.
Yeah,
Oh, we
man.
gotta talk about stuff.
Okay.
Sis was having another conversation, you know.
Boy.
But I guess it's time right now, so
Okay, I leave.
yeah, I gotta leave. I got some
Alright.
things to do.
So you know the mistake, yeah?
No,
No,
from
remember
back in the
the
days,
days.
remember?
Oh, okay.
You gave me your hand like that. Why you being like that?
Because I text you, I say what?
You know.
Big up yourself, see you, man.
Right.
So, brother, no hug or anything?
Yes, sis. What
Come
are
on,
you talking about? What are you talking
Goodbye.
about? What are you talking about, sis?
Alright, next time.
I got some things to take care of with the Lord, so
Alright, safe
Alright.
travel.
I have my brothers to Lincoln. You know?
Alright, bye.
Okay, have a good day.
Get up, Marcus for me, please.
Yeah, I'll still do that.
Come inside.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Okay.
You soon come.
Alright.
You never tell me, say you have a brother.
So me ask you a question, sir. Maybe tell her everything?
You said tell me everything before me make you come in my house.
Look here, me tell her everything, but me not... Me tell her about me how
You
much
said you
family...
like man over here.
So me ask you a question. Me
You
have
don't
to...
like man.
So me have to tell her about every family member when me have
Yeah.
also. Me have to name out every one of them when me have. Me don't know all of my family them.
Alright, you said
So
you
me just
said
name them out to you
your
like
brother
that.
brother stay here, come.
It's not my
Check me
small
now.
brother, it's my big brother.
Oh, your big brother.
It's my big
You no
brother.
matter how big or small, me say. You could have tell me, come here and
I
ask you.
never remember.
Oh.
That's
Oh,
right.
you not put him on the bed, man.
Put him in bed for what reason? You
Oh,
know
yeah,
here.
guess I come if you buy a sack, put him on a chair or whatever.
God.
But you laugh.
God, you see all of this that...
I joke me give me say if you buy a sack, make him sit down.
Buy a sack and
and
have
make
three
him sit
chairs
down. No,
here.
no, them they are dining table.
We'll have chair on the veranda.
Him not
over there.
eat. The only time man eat him sit down in them chair there. Him not eat. You cook? You cook?
Me ask you a question. You treat me like me today. What's the problem?
No, me just
You
say.
forgot to tell me I am
sorry.
paying my money? Me I pay my
sorry.
money at the place. You don't need to treat me like this.
Terrible question. Me just there and verify. Say remember the
And because
rules.
me a Christian, I'm not going to say nothing dirty to you or rude. I'm not going to be rude to you. You understand me?
See, white by your mouth. Now go inside. Just want you know, say you remember your rules and stuff like that, yeah? Right? You cool?
Yeah, we're cool.
Alright.
Dirty nastiness.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,
Me what you mean by many man not sleep or hug up or anything. Matter of fact, man not even sleep over here last night. Over here, woman here didn't sleep. Men didn't sleep head until when time in the here. And the times I do this and now when time I do this now a difference. It a cause argument. No. You come like say nah hear me I say. You hear me good? Me say me and the man sleep head and tail and in a sleep here last night and sleep over here. Oh man. Yeah, that me try to explain to you like you not hear me. Anyways, come on for that. Wait up, man. You good? Me there sit down on the bed and go on easy but come here alone here. Yeah. Alright then. Take care. Alright then.
You mean like you can't sleep with me last night?
No, man, me just have to go and do it right. I don't want to feel like say through my room, me now come over here again. So me have to come over here. Make you feel comfortable, said way. You can't make you feel like left out. So I go over here now still. What you gonna do?
I was clean your room and go wash plate and something.
Alright, I'll go over and check how I'm going over there. Yeah. We later, me circle back way later.
You later me come check.
Around 6 o'clock.
You come up here?
Yeah, me come check it out. Alright. Just go and do it, I don't mean anything.
You travel safe.
Yeah.
Sis. Sis. Babes. Babes. Well, I'm not boy, not there.
No, me alone there, me in my room.
You're alone there, you know, come to work and stuff. Come here, too. I want to talk to you, I can sit
You,
down and
you,
talk to
you
you.
come here and would have give me a hug or something. Come.
Come here, man. Release. Sit down.
So I'm going to take up my foot by because you have it, right? Yeah, so.
Yeah, no, babes.
Go.
A long day to do this here, man.
So you could do. Nothing on the day. You could just check Mr. What with
Yeah,
you?
man, if you know if you're alright and something.
Sure. Left me head alone.
I think so, man.
So we are dealing with different.
So, what kind of brother and sister love this?
Full of
Good
his
afternoon, good afternoon.
Oh, what?
No, the Holy
listen
Spirit,
here.
yeah.
Don't do that.
Tell us, say, have a man. Don't carry a man come up here.
I rebuke you for that. Nothing like that.
Exactly.
Where
Don't,
last
don't
name?
ever say that.
Where your last
But
name?
then a church.
So how my last name reaching at this?
Where your last name be?
Brother, don't bother with that excitement.
Don't
Don't bother
bother
with
with
that.
it.
What is your last name?
I'm showing my sister that the bump is on her foot and I want to take it off. Don't you know that?
Exactly.
You talking about boyfriend and girlfriend?
When
That-
time we in a church and my brother and sister, this is the love that we share. So you
Yeah.
can understand.
What?
Your-
What?
Who used to cock up?
For,
But what
you
kind
cock
of...
up on him.
And my foot just me throw over on his lap.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Cock
Don't
up.
ever say that word again.
Don't do it.
I rebuke you in the name of the Lord.
Mistaken.
Mistaken? So what are you trying to tell me? If I see a bump on my sister's foot, I should not taking care of it?
Exactly.
She'll boss herself.
She don't have a man to do it, so her brother can do it for her.
Right. Yee-hoo! You make me want to cry. Breathe easy. What are you talking about?
Understand.
Listen, this is my sister and that is how we
Exactly.
have conversation. If I see a bump on her, she squeeze it, I squeeze it. She sees something
That's
on
the
me,
love
she
we
squeeze
share
it
with our
also.
brother and sisters.
You don't show your sister that love? You don't have any sister, right?
Exactly. Don't have
No,
any.
sister.
I can
Okay.
see. Don't you see how I look?
I
So,
just.
oh, your foot that do on you.
So
Her
how
foot
that?
like dip
Then
on
how
you.
that bother you if me foot there on my brother?
In there for something?
It seems like.
Come like in there for something. Don't you understand everything when me just sit here?
Oh,
You see people
now
like
I run
them.
back this, you know.
Brother, people like them make Christian curse body right now.
No,
We're not
no,
going
we're
to do
not
that.
saying nothing, man. No.
What?
We're not saying
We're
nothing.
not going to do that.
I'm going to run back this camera and see.
That camera is going to show you everything I'm telling you right now.
okay.
If it doesn't show you what I'm telling you right now, that's a lied camera. Okay?
Yeah, so you point down, yeah, sir.
Listen, I
You
come with
no
my
point
sister
nowhere else.
to
Down,
talk
yeah, sir.
business. So, do what you got to do. I have some business to discuss with sis. Because we have church, we have rally to go.
Remember, tomorrow rent to pay, yeah? And the bills, them.
I know.
Cha!
Yeah? Me just a reminder.
We have that under control. The Creator has that under control. The Lord, the Lord, the Lord. Remember, say, we are rally for go and forget 2 bananas. Come on, be babes. It's a boy that come watch. Yo, can't take a youth.
Just calm. Must I just say just calm down. Look.
You can't hear me. Let me shut the boy and take over the place now, babes.
What?
Shut him. Tough me gonna shut him, babes. Don't care. Over there so nobody now gonna know. Now we have this place for ourselves, babes.
Oh man.
Look man, I so God I give you a blessing right
What
now.
the
You know?
thing is supposed to go to the man now. Right? You know, say now we are going to place. I must see woman around.
Hey, oh man, I video with foot. Hey, oh man, I go on left with foot. I think oh man, I'm dead to babes. You mad? Look here.
No one
We dream this right now. Look here, make this me talk to you, babes. We dream this right now.
our dream is
Really can't do it. So me I say about the rally. The rally, we forget the green banana.
yeah,
sitting.
go carry some dashing and something.
Yeah.
Tonight, they are doing nothing wrong. No hug up and something like that.
That's what I told you. I told you if the
Exactly.
camera tell you something else, it's wrong. That's the
Nah,
same
my
thing
bad,
I
my
told you.
But as far as brother and sister, you know, close still.
Very, very close. Like sheet on a mattress. That's how close we are.
No close still.
Just the blessing from up above.
God.
The Creator, the Lord.
That's up on the side, me I want to fresh and walk on the road.
Bossy, we wonder if we could have get none of the banana them we see in the yard. We can
No
run
man,
them.
I go chop it right, no one can go market. 'Cause
So
we need
you
no
can't
money.
you can't give the Raleigh something?
Who?
Raleigh at church, we have Raleigh, we got to take banana, any fruits, ground fruit.
Oh, maybe plan we book out already, my bad.
Jesus.
My bad, we book out.
So see, so you tell me say, it's
Never
alright.
tell us, don't tell us that.
Thing is okay, we're gonna try to work it out the
Yeah,
next
yeah.
the next way and something.
Alright.
Thing good. That's what you mean, babes.
You say, want to do something?
I said, this man, I need to listen
No,
to
man.
me. Shut him, babes. This man, a corruption in the race. This man, I never believe in our God.
We done the pan a run again.
Babes, running time
Supposed
done.
to get catch this
Listen, me, you talk about catch. Running time done. Watch out. Dreamhouse grill pan door. But we never own yet before. We are talk about run. You see, we running stop this. At the end of the road, this, babes. This is life. We can't stress again on same thing. You see me? Look how long we no kiss up and sitting.
Understand that part there, yes, but...
So you understand you're cold on
You
the
have to,
thing?
look here, you have to think on both sides. You can't just think on one side.
Think on both sides. Babes, after me your side, me I think
Alright,
on
no worry
right
yourself.
now.
I'm going to think about it.
Alright,
I'll make you know by later or tomorrow.
No, so me can warm me sitting there. Okay, see this a landlord boy, yes. Wanna give me banana for carry a
I'm
rally?
not in the right this year. Just calm down, mate. In the English, so...
Babes, I don't even like you whisper business and me have to whisper along and saying, what kind of land is you go find? I don't like the rent house business and I'm saying,
How we could have find?
yes, think about it. I make sure you think about it good enough. And nobody with the fool in the babes.
So yeah, you can make it like one suffer.
Babes, come know you love things so I like a Google back to way, babes, and I like the style. Make sure you think it right way. We dream house this. Camera up my house, nobody can come over here. Come over here, they can't catch you.
Me know.
We're gonna see them first.
God help me.
So babes think fast and think good and think smart. So we can give some more long hair and something because make you look good. Don't know. You told me you're so lazy.
I can't feel good more sleep, me that
You don't
hurt.
feel good about all of this. You want me to still up?
No, I never say I feel about what I tell about me. I say I feel good about. That's me that hurt.
I like when you talk about it hurt your business.
Me feel sleepy.
I like when you talk about it hurt my business. Now. So tell you what. I'm going to go and go try it. Start out something and come and link you. Because you right now, to my blood that boil up and you see me a sweat and you know me even like sweat with too long and sitting there. Good, man. Stop stress out yourself, man.
Make it know what I'm over here.
Do it quick.
Alright.
Check on the thing with this. Come on, nobody take up again, you see me?
Alright.
Babes.
Babes.
It means babes. You see how you? Look how this boy. Yo. Let me tell you this. Me. They are tamper you.
Don't touch me.
Oh yeah, do.
What
You're
do you mean by
blind.
tamper?
You're blind, yo. I'm here for there. I told them for response for. You see me? All of them pretty area meals and things, and me I do it. Could you let them pretty much?
Don't touch me.
Babes, come here, listen. Come here. Come here. Come here. What fast on the babes, man? Auntie you. Sit down, sir. Talk to her, because she didn't even know what I'm doing.
And you hear what the man say?
You're deaf. Or you're hard of hearing. I chill with you live. Can't get rid of your boy and...
Come on, you two.
Babe, watch out, man. How you that feel? Feel two away. And you, I roll one time. Nobody can this way. Nobody can play with way. Go you nice. Go you sweet like I'm a princess. Go now almost look like twin. Almost. Can't make it happen. Work hard. Bigger future.
Stop touch me now.
Bigger future me I put in your hand, you know. And you can't see that, you know. Look on all of this. Sure we can hold all of this. Be pretty close and sitting. Bigger in the future, we bank account high. You see me? Any people try growing with bam 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 boom. You see me? Me I tell you babes. Real way. You see it? No joke thing. But not growing for we thing. Me I tell you for your boy a joker. See you know see no you do that man. Babes tell me no man.
That's true.
Me see the little dirty boy them road with my woman. I ain't care banana buggy. And that me I tell you. You see me if you just understand and know the right levels. You see me? Watch out. Go to another almost. Sis, this nice man.
Welcome.
Oh, good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How make you?
Oh, if you see you without your shirt in your pants.
That's why I like chop things for just sign. I chop me take up something for just sign a shirt come out to me.
Here, come here.
Pants and
Oh, yeah, pull me go to, yeah, pull me go to.
Yo, we can make sure we come in.
You can't pull my shirt. Look
Oh,
out my
you
shirt,
wanna put
man.
on-
Yeah, buy my shirt. What's that? Yeah, buy my shirt.
You know, say, Emmanuel, I don't know, brother thing.
Where's that?
A Britney man, he all have gun and he's sitting there.
Right.
Come here, sir. Can't have TV. The truth. Me not even come back over here, sir. All that the man there, I can't grab me up about me and him today.
I lie.
Right now, I'm here, me can't go. Are you feeling it?
I'm gonna run from the... We can't let me over here.
Don't
We
leave
let me run over here.
Are you man go deal with the business?
See the problem I run from, man.
Yeah, where you going, sir?
Father, what going? You there, man?
You just come
My
in.
girlfriend at tell me I look on news and I'm just have to come and see if I got true. My girlfriend say the 200 dead and now I'm brother and sister. And you have to carry gun in my place and see.
So you believe all of that, what she said?
I'm a woman and I have to believe what you say.
Alright, tell her what. Stop dealing with things slowly. Come here. Stand up, man.
Make you bad financially.
Stand up, man.
Anybody?
I'm Theo. Stand up.
But just ask a question.
Listen to me. Because from the coming here, I have to change the language I'm speaking. I mean, like speak the way they're a boy. Just sit down, listen. Stand some talk here, you. Just watch your man business. So where did this send from?
Me not watch nobody.
Listen to me. We go stay here, so. Zine, and we know why you give me no more talk. Come here, go deal with this halfway, you know. Cool way, you know.
Yeah.
Right, let me have to deal with this brawling that the minute you want to hurt, you know. But tell you what, this is some orders and full rules. I
Yeah.
think you have to go leave off for right now. You hear that? Move your friend, more boy, man, talk to you. On to you. You're going to live on a full rules. So see, you're going to hold off the ground. I see if you know hold off the ground one time with the ear.
Me sleep on me sleep.
You're going to go somewhere else.
Me sleep on
You hear that?
Remember, say me for work and carry money come.
Listen to me, boy. You can make sure say she no short and no food at all. You hear?
And you too.
You have to eat too, boy, you know that. You hear?
No.
So listen to me, daddy. When you sending your money in something, you can want reason
She
with that.
gone over.
She gone over?
Yeah.
Alright, daddy, listen to me. What? Auntie you? Jump. Get up.
But
Listen to me, just make sure you hear what I'm saying now.
We
And
hear
no
you.
say, you have to go work by others, daddy. Come in, you want to hurt you, you would. Yo, where's the babes?
Should I give him two orders?
Sure, just. You go on this way.
King one.
And boy, see if I call me name to
Me
the
no
police.
call- me no call
I kill me
him.
kill police and brutalize people. You hear that?
Yeah.
Put the whole land too close to me thing to in a youth. Yo, father, deal with the thing here.
No.
I know the floor I feel it come on.
No boy deal with that.
Deal with the
Right.
good. Deal with the good babes.
Then I must.
So I have a rate for your boy.
Babes, see we have a place lock off and one thing.
Right, that's all.
This me tell you about for a long thing. See, if you listen to me, you never go wrong.
And all the time, alright, they know that.
Babes, all the time right, you know that. So my time when I'm wrong. Wrong never did to come in at that. I don't saw it happen. You see me? I want you to know. So boy, if I continue to take care of right tree, if I have to make you know two, you know, say yo, I need want you pay no more rent, you know.
Because I can't bother with it.
That may make you know this pay
Just-
all I
just-
rent, you know. This pay all I rent is the one I can know. And yo, you see people going on talk. See over there, so
That's your body, man.
dash you way. 6 foot what? Deep. That may make you know be real. So you happy. Live with what we say. Any car we name to nobody and try to flap out the thing. The problem. You see me?
Understand.
How the man report
I'm
a
not
match
sure the
thing?
type of life I want to live now. More people up there lock up. Our food just come in. Money just come in. We not have to go on no road.
That me a talk about. Son have to live with we.
So you know what you have to go do now?
You
You
mean?
have to go out there, go work the money. Care can't give we stay in here, and if we hear this back out of road from nobody.
A
we know
crime
it's
scene.
You see me? Because you know so we're not our business.
I say a crime scene. If we hear this out the road, we feel we name.
If you take time I talk sometime, you know.
Yeah, I'm the man.
Bush have ears.
Bush. You kill all the bush. If Bush come across me thing and call up my name. One day Bush can give me no talk. Bush have to hear my story and keep that. That me make you know.
Say I don't do it for.
You have to listen, man. You have to listen and feel it from everywhere, man. I want to know anything come down, man. So, everything good?
I'm good on the road, that's it.
So we go with umbrella. Because umbrella you do.
Rain set up.
The rain not set up.
Yes,
Daddy, me not too trust say you go on, daddy. Make sure you go to the call me name and try to look a cappella style
No,
for me.
man.
Where you go, brother? One to you, daddy.
Come on,
No,
come
call the
on.
name.
Me do something? Daddy, just know say, moms have to go top parent too, you know. You're supposed to know that, you know, me have to tell you that, you know. Brother, look for my man, talk.
No, yes.
You're supposed to know that mom's rate at the top pay. You see, pre. You know what pay rate, though.
Yeah. No.
So what you pray, just do what you have to do and make sure, say, the care food come. And don't open up your box, you know.
Yeah.
Don't open up your box, you know, youth.
No.
Hey, here. Go and go do it up. Brother, move up, no, brother. Move up, no, man.
Judgment day upon me.
Oh, dear, man. Judgment this.
Judgment day.
Calm down, man.
How you mean by
Can't talk about
judgment?
judgment. This is the judgment.
Me I can't go in the library, I can't.
You just make me could have asked that. You're on TV.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
So, babe, I'm glad you can come back over here now and stay. I know I'm not even want you to go. Because you see, then the roommate, I don't want no more roommate over here. I don't want nobody over here but you.
What the fuck?
I don't want nobody over here but you. So if you care no friend, don't care them come up here. Not even out there, so I don't want them come. Don't make them know your person. Yeah?
I could pack with things
Because
that
me
you
never
call
know say so them the people that stay. Look how him wanna act like him a church man I'm a gunman. Eh? Suppose then he kill me in here and me asleep. They could have killed me in here. You know that? And all because of you. Say I want upgrade for the new year. I'm gonna get roommate for split the bills for your house. So you get the money every month end. And I could have lose my life. See, the year just started. I could have lose my life in the year just start. All because of you. Me do it because of you, you know, to be loving. You know that. You know that.
Babe, I'm sorry. You know, say, you can't come over to my place, come stay and get this here. And nobody with the roommate thing and start over new.
When that? Come with that come between you. How this?
Hey, landlord, Gugubat, idiot, rugo head boy. You think the police them all, you make lock we up, not tell we say, are you in fan power, you say to your boy?
You know here, man?
Oh, let me tell you this, boy, you know hear man. You see when we come out? Soon me I get free, boy. Anytime I come out right now, me say, boy, darkness when time I hold you. 6 foot deep underground, batty boy.
Hey, man. So it's God, no. Let's see them sitting here now for New Year now. Yo. Come. Take up my perfume. Can't
Yeah man, so I made it to the end of the movie, understand? So thank you for watching. Understand? Want to know, like, share, comment, subscribe, understand? And tell a friend about over Coloring Book TV. Remember, you know, Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people. You understand? So, you know, Coloring Book TV, as I'm saying in the intro, we're back on track again. Back on track and ready for road again. Movie on top of movie. And that we are pray for New Year. You understand? The people, they are going to put the best foot forward. Big up Tugger TV. You understand? You know, because of that. You understand? Congratulations, my general. You know, your newborn, your daughter. Just go and put it in your work. You understand? And come do it right for your daughter so she can come do it right for you too and make you proud too as well, my G. Big up yourself, big up Kira too, hear that? And big up Jamie with Entertainment, big up PFS Films, Richard Brown Films, the whole eye movement, man. You see me, Public Report, Paradise. So big up everybody, big up Talk Up TV too, DS, big up everybody. You know, all the way are one team, you understand? So bless up on yourself, you understand? Yeah man, Coloring Book TV for the people and only for the people.